In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design travel ad poster in Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a fresh blank poster design. Pick a poster size that fits where you'll display it, like A4 or US letter, so your layout translates cleanly to print or digital. Once your canvas is open, head to the Uploads tab. Bring in a high-quality travel photo, ideally something bright, clear, and with a strong focal point, because this image will carry most of the visual impact. Place the photo onto your canvas, then resize and reposition it so it fills the frame nicely without stretching. Keep important details away from the edges to avoid accidental cropping. Next, go to the Elements panel and search for a flip page style graphic. Insert that element into your design. This adds a dynamic, attention-grabbing corner effect that suggests discovery and movement, perfect for travel themes. Adjust the flip page by resizing, rotating, and placing it where it frames your image in a pleasing way. Now check your layers. Make sure the travel photo sits behind the flip element so the fold over appears on top. If needed, send the photo backward until the layering looks right. Tweak the photo's size again so it peeks out exactly where you want under the flip. Return to Elements and add a secondary graphic for energy. An airplane icon works great. Rotate it to create a sense of direction or motion. Then resize it to complement the layout rather than overpower it. Select the highlight or color controls for the element and change its color to match your palette. Aim for strong contrast with the background while keeping it cohesive with the photo's tones. Now add text. Type a compelling travel slogan or the name of the destination. Adjust the text by scaling it up, then choose a font that fits the vibe. Bold sans serifs feel modern, while elegant serifs feel classic and premium. Change the text color to ensure it's readable over the image, and fine-tune alignment for balance. If you want extra punch, apply optional text effects like shadow or lift, but keep it subtle to maintain clarity. Move the headline toward the top so it's the first thing viewers notice. For finishing touches, add another small element for detail. Think subtle lines, icons, or decorative accents. Select the ones that enhance the story, then resize and reposition them to guide the eye without cluttering the layout. Step back, make tiny spacing adjustments, and that's your polished travel ad poster in Canva, ready to impress.